The Finance Minister tabled the budget today. I'm Dashan Hendricks and I'll give you the details.
Throne speech by Governor General highlights the opening of the new session of Parliament. I'm Andrew Cannon and I'll have the details.
What politicians are saying about a fixed election date and a term limit for the Prime Minister. I'm Dara Smith. I'll have that story.
New security arrangements for the opening of Parliament. I'm Janella Precious and I'll have that story.
Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, should the tax break plan be off? The Finance Minister responds.
Police probe the killing of a pregnant woman.
In the Business Day, good news about the NHT.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What did you think about the Governor General's throne speech?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.